You think I need a haircut? Maybe I should shave. I don't know. Great. Totally forgot that we have no lights in the basement. Anyway, we turned. Well, we opened up the windows upstairs, starting to open all of them, and it's time to turn off the furnaces. So I got the one on this side, and I'm gonna go into this side where it's really, really dark. Really dark. There we go. Maybe I should go this way. Whoa, let there be light. And is there a light bulb in here? I don't know if I took it out or not. Shit. Yeah, I took it out. Anyway, I'm gonna have to try and get into here. Sorry about the darkness, people. Off. There we go. And that is how I go about turning off the furnaces. Just flip the little switches and they're off for the winter. I mean, they're off for the summer. Yeah. And there you go. We don't need the extra heat because it's nice and warm outside, which is where I'm going right now. Wow, I'm really getting into this whole bowling thing. Go Manitoba! Yay! Wow. This is pretty good. I mean, my daughter's team dropped down to number 4, but still, it's still pretty good. Still in the top 5. Well, now that the bowling's done for the day, and I've got 5 hours before the hockey game, Calgary Flames versus Anaheim Ducks in Anaheim for round 2, game 2. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to play a little bit of San Andreas while I wait. How can you tell I was lying on the couch? Anyway, the Ducks beat the Flames 3-0. Yeah. So it's 2 games that they won this series, or this round. And in total, that's 6 games. Like I said, I have a feeling they're going to win every single game that they're playing. And if they do, Wow. It might be a new record in playoff history. I don't know. I'm tired. I gotta go to sleep. I gotta get up early and go drop off more resumes.